Hey guys, Kayla here with MyAirbags. Our team is dedicated to helping vehicle owners, auto dealers, auto body repair shops, and collision centers with their vehicles' post-collision needs. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel below. Please make sure if at any point during this video you have questions, please let us know in the comments below or visit our community forum. The forum link is in the video description. We want to help you in any way that we can. Today, we'll be sharing with you why airbag connector plugs need to be repaired or replaced. Our company offers same-day service and 24-hour service turnaround, but we also want to share our knowledge with you 24/7. We have a lot of people ask us why they would need to repair or replace their airbag connector plugs, or even how to do so that is both affordable and time efficient. First, our family-owned and operated company exists to recycle and repair parts while saving our customers hundreds of dollars. Automotive safety is a priority to us as it helps to save lives every single day. And we really believe everyone should have easy access to affordable vehicle repair resources. To us, it's important as leaders in the industry to share tips as we value transparency and honesty. So here at MyAirbags, we're setting the standard in meaning and doing what we say, even by passing it down to other small businesses. Check out our other video on money and time-saving tips for airbag connector plug replacement and repair. It's extremely important to make sure your airbag connector plugs are in good condition for the safety of the vehicle's driver and its occupants. There are a couple of scenarios you'd need to check your airbag connector plugs, such as when replacing seatbelts or a clock spring. SRS connectors are easily damaged when removing the original part, especially a clock spring. It's much easier and more cost-effective to replace the airbag connector plugs than removing the entire clock spring. Unfortunately, it's very easy to damage a clock spring removing it or reinstalling it incorrectly, and will require part replacement for both the clock spring and the airbag connector plugs. The most predominant scenario these connectors are damaged in, though, is a vehicle accident. Frequently, these clock spring connectors melt simply from airbag deployment. It's normal because when the igniter in the airbag inflation system is triggered, it burns a solid propellant to produce nitrogen gas. But because the nitrogen gas produces heat during the airbag inflation process, the airbag and the connectors located behind the airbag absorb the heat during the conversion from solid to gas. As long as airbag inflation systems include nitrogen gas, it will always be very common for airbag plugs or airbag connectors, whichever you want to call them, to melt. There's more that's usually involved when a vehicle is in an accident and airbags deploy that isn't very widely known. First, the airbag light on a vehicle's dashboard will turn on because of the collision itself. To turn it off, the vehicle's airbag control module requires a reset to clear all of the crash codes, hard codes, and latch codes on top of replacing the airbag connector plugs. Unfortunately, it's also common for a vehicle's seatbelts to malfunction after being involved in an accident. Some of the most common issues experienced with seatbelts include them being locked, stuck, cut, torn, or ripped, requiring repair. Additionally, seatbelts have Pyro Sensors built into them that are triggered by impact sensors that initiate a seatbelt locking in an accident, similar to an airbag. If this has occurred, then there will be a seatbelt code stored in your airbag control module and could be a secondary reason as to why the airbag light is on. It's really important to make all repairs and resets necessary, as it's really dangerous for all occupants of a vehicle in motion if a seatbelt pretension or malfunction is occurring, or there is a non-active airbag. But I'll share with you what's so special about our exclusive Universal Airbag Connector Plug Kit. We've designed our Universal Airbag Connector Kit to have many benefits for both consumers and businesses. Number one, you'll have everything you already need included in one kit instead of trying to locate multiple products in different places. Number two, our Universal Kit can connect to all makes and models. We finally created a solution for all. Three, not only can you configure our plugs to any type that you need, but they're also super easy to install. And last but not least, there's no specialty tools required. Most businesses in the automotive industry will have a heat gun, but if you don't, a hairdryer will work just as well. Each of our exclusive Universal kits includes a pair of Universal Airbag Clockspring connector plugs. Dealerships, auto body shops, collision centers, and auto stores do not carry these kits. Our kit also contains 2 pairs of solder seal, heat shrink, wire waterproof connectors, so 4 in total. These are great and easy to use as it's a simple sleeve made of heat shrinkable material that even a hairdryer can melt. It doesn't require any specialty tools to install. We found these tubes as one of the better products available, as the material mitigates the potential dangers of corrosion and moisture to the wires. So all you have to do is cut your old melted or damaged plugs and connect or solder our new plugs in place. It's that easy. Place your order today for your exclusive universal airbag connector plug kit, airbag control module reset, and seatbelt repair on our website listed below in the description. Make sure you have your part numbers and OBD2 fault codes from the diagnostic scan to share with us so that we can ensure to repair your part and have it returned to you as soon as 2 business days. Once you receive your part, we make sure that you can simply just plug it into your vehicle and be done. MyAirbags also offers active headrest repair, active hood repair, collapsible steering column repair, occupant module repair, rollover bar repair, custom seatbelt colors, seatbelt repairs, and airbag control module resets for those who cannot go without their vehicles. If for any reason we're unable to help you, we provide you your money back, guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Make sure to follow our family-owned and operated small business on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. See you next time.